All right, I'm just going to do a quick video here on how to set up DeskCNC. So basically, first thing we go to is Setup, Options, then we go to Miscellaneous, and we're going to make sure the clockwise direction is selected. That way it'll just automatically want to cut left to right, which is kind of more convenient most of the times. You can switch the direction, but let's see here. And the other thing you need to change is you need to go down this list here and select 4-axis linear XYZA, and then make sure you click save. I'm not going to click that because I already have this set up. I just don't want to mess anything up. Okay, so then we're going to go to foam. And I have it set up at 0.01. You could experiment with that. 0.06 might automatically give you an offset in there if you wanted to try that. And so you wouldn't have to draw your offset in. It would kind of just include it for you. But that setup works well for me. And I think this is another good one. Add approach to center. I think that's a setting to go with. And okay, so I think that's everything. Yeah, I would unclick that and set start entity closest to bottom left. I think that's the best way to go. Okay, and then you want to click save, and I'm not going to save it because I've already set it up. Okay, so the next is we're going to go setup, post-processor setup, general. So you want to make sure you have 4-axis linear XYZA selected, and then the file extension is going to be tap. And then we're going to go to header footer, and our header is going to be, if you have automatic hotwire control, actually it doesn't matter, I would just include it anyways, it's not going to hurt anything. You want to go M3, that's going to make sure your hotwire power turns on, and your footer is going to be G1 X minus 1, Z minus 1, feed rate of 30. So what that's going to do is when the code is finished cutting, it's going to take your wire out of the block of foam on the X and Z axis 1 inch so it doesn't burn your foam. Say you're busy or something, you're not watching it super closely, and it'll just jog out at the end. And then also include M5. And if you have automatic hotwire power control, that's going to turn off your hotwire power. And if you don't have that, it doesn't matter. It won't do anything. So you could just include that. And then make sure you save it. And I'm not going to save it because I already have it set up. And finally, we're going to go setup, machine setup. Then we're going to go DeskCNC setup. And yeah, so you're just going to want to change. You can just make it look exactly like this. You're going to go X max 49, Y max 38. So if you have blocks of foam that are 49 inches wide and 38 inches tall, you could enter those dimensions, and that it'll make your grid that size. It's just a useful guide to make sure that you stay within your block of foam. And then here on the display, this will be the size of the squares on your grid. So if you copy this, you'll get nice grid sizes. And let's see here, machine. Okay, yeah, these are pretty important. So axes, it's a 4-axis machine. And then the A-axis is going to be linear, so make sure you select that. And I think that's everything. Make sure you save it. Good stuff. So yeah, that's everything you need to do to set up DeskCNC to cut out foam on your machine. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.